Hello all, welcome to Edifying Insights. As we have completed with Standard 3 portion, now I will be posting videos on Standard 4 EVS 1. So today we are going to see the explanation of the life cycle of animals, and in the next video, question answers to this lesson will be posted. So let's begin. Chapter 1, the life cycle of animals. Look at the puppies and their mother in the picture. Do you see some similarities? Yes, children, when we observe the puppies and their mother, they look similar. Their features, their color, everything is same. Only thing is the puppies look smaller in size and the mother dog looks bigger in size. Next, look at the butterfly and the caterpillar that has come out of the egg. Do you see any similarities? Children, when we observe the caterpillar and butterfly, there is no similarity between them. Whereas the butterfly has come out of the caterpillar, but there is no similarity in them. Only when the caterpillar grows fully, then its features change completely and it transforms into a butterfly. A hen lays eggs. Chicks come out of those eggs. Do kittens come out of eggs? No, children, kittens don't come out of eggs. Kittens take birth from their mother's tummy. So with this we understand that the young one of every animals are brought into this world by their parents. There are three main types of methods of developing young ones in animals. These are 1. Taking birth from mother's tummy. Example, we have dog, cat, etc. Number 2. Hatching out of the eggs. Example, hen, crow. Number 3. Metamorphosis. Example, butterfly. Taking birth from mother's tummy. A kid and a fully grown goat are not very different to look at. There is not much difference between a kitten and an adult cat. These babies grow in their mother's tummy and are born from the mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay eggs. For example, we have cow, goat, cat, dog, etc. But some animals like crows, spiders, lizards lay eggs. Hatching out of the eggs. A chicken is born from an egg. Ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes are all animals that lay eggs, but we do not often see their eggs. The eggs of some very small animals are very tiny. We would hardly notice them, so we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs. But we know for sure that a hen lays eggs. Her eggs are big enough to be easily seen. Yes, children, we all have seen hen's egg. From the egg, chick will not come out automatically. A hen needs to sit on the egg and give warmth to the egg. When it gives warmth at that time, chick grows inside the egg. Then it breaks the egg and it comes out of the egg as chicken. A new term, hatch. When a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. A hen lays eggs. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So after laying them, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. When its growth is complete, the chicks breaks the shells and comes out. The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. Why does a hen become aggressive when she is hatching her eggs? When a hen is hatching her eggs, she becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs. The third method of developing young one in animals is metamorphosis. There are similarities between a goat and its kid and between a hen and her chick. However, a caterpillar and butterfly are very different. Thus, in some animals, the young ones grow into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Children, we see here that the caterpillar is the young one of butterfly, but butterfly and caterpillar both look very different. This change of form is called metamorphosis. When this caterpillar will grow, it will become a butterfly, but as a young one, the caterpillar looks very different from the butterfly. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis in a butterfly. Butterflies of various shapes and beautiful colors are a part of our environment. They live their life among plants. As butterflies grow, they pass through 4 stages. These are egg, larva, pupa and adult. The adult stage is called butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly is a very common one. Let us take its example to see how the growth of a butterfly takes place. The female plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on the milkweed or rui leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar.
And if you're enjoying this video, then please subscribe.
When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast, so its growth is very rapid. A new term, molt, to shed old skin to make way for new growth. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin. That is, it molts. Again it brings to gobble up the leaves and continues to grow rapidly. In 2 or 3 days, it molts a second time. In this way, it molts 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. Just before the last molt, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. When it molts, this time it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. The pupa of a butterfly is also called a chrysalis. It remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. It does not eat anything during this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes take place in its body. The growth of the plain tiger gets completed inside the chrysalis. Then the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It now has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. All butterflies go through these stages of growth. For each type of butterfly, the type of plants on whose leaves its female will lay eggs is fixed. The time the larvae takes to emerge from the eggs is different for different types of butterflies. There is great variety in caterpillars. Different types of caterpillars are of different colors. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. Do you know, after we have cleaned the grain we store it in a box. Even then, when we open the box after some days, we may see some insects in it. There can be insects in the grain stored in places like warehouses, in the grocer's shop, or even in our homes. Now, if a female insect lays eggs in this grain, we cannot see them because of their tiny size. The warmth and air they get in the box in which the grain is stored is enough for them to grow. So their growth continues inside the box. They also have the same stages of growth, namely egg, larva, pupa and adult. When we open the box, we see the insects in the grain at the different stages of growth in which they are. Let us revise what we have learnt in this lesson. A hen sits on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chick breaks the eggshells and comes out. Egg, caterpillar, larva, chrysalis, pupa and adult are the 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly lays its egg on the leaves of the milkweed plant. The larva emerges from the egg. It is called the caterpillar. When the growth of the caterpillar is complete, it enters the pupa stage, during which it lives inside the chrysalis. The adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings. Always remember, butterflies are a part of our environment. It is wrong to catch butterflies just for fun and keep them tied with a string. Children, it was a very interesting lesson. I hope you all have understood the lesson. The question answer to this lesson will be posted in the next video.